Well, the history of the company dates back to 1903. There were two companies, Starcraft and Smokercraft. Smokercraft is in 1921. Smokercraft was started by John Smoker and his 4 sons and 2 daughters. And they originally built dimensional lumber, moved into oar and paddles in around the 1930, and their goal was to build a mile of oars and paddles a day. And in 1947, they began building mobile homes until 1963. And in 63, they bought a small little boat company in Elkhart called Continental Boat. And that's where we began our aluminum boat business and have been in the aluminum boat business since that time. We began building canoes. We designed the canoes here. And in 68, 69, we built 17,000 canoes here in New Paris, Indiana. In 1975, the two companies came together as Harold Schrock, who had been out of the boat business for a period of time, wanted to get back into the boat business.
In 1903, we began as an agricultural company, which we made fairly basic corn cribs, basic agricultural supplies, tanks. The name of the company was Star Tank. Eventually, we moved into boats, which was in the mid-1900s. As boats became more popular, distribution was more important, and we were able to come up with a way to distribute boats all over the country and up into Canada, and that really made Starcraft a household name by the 50s. In 1975, my grandfather approached the Smoker family and purchased Smokercraft, and adding the two families together who were deeply involved in boat building was a very good match.
I think ever since the beginning, you've seen our company go a lot of different directions and try new markets, try different things. That's what you'll continue to see in the future. Maybe it will resonate strictly within the marine industry, but the idea that we're not complacent and just always trying to just be the same thing, that we're willing to try new things and get into different markets, build different products. I think that's kind of how it shapes the future for us.
Today, we are the largest independent boat manufacturer in the United States, and still building aluminum boats, pontoons, and fiberglass.
Our business has been very successful, but we realize that it's not just our families, it's our vendors and our employees. And our employees, we always feel, are the most important component of our success.
Being a 5th generation, and especially in this company, what's been unique is just the culture that's been created over time. It's so genuine and organic, and our ability to create this type of culture has been really important to our success.
Truly for me, it's been really, really rewarding to just see what has happened. You have to work hard together. It's not easy, but it is very rewarding, and I'm very proud of our accomplishments.